हाँ जी, good morning students. I'm Murthy, your history teacher, going to teach you theme 1, bricks, beads and bones. In this lesson, we were reading about the Harappan civilization, or you can say Indus Valley civilization. And I have taught you so many features of Harappan civilization, like they made their houses with bricks. एक मिनट बेटे। हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, so we were discussing about the features of a Harappan civilization, Harappan Valley civilization, Indus Valley civilization की जो features हैं, main characteristics हैं, they were described. Some are left. Like today, I am going to teach you finding out about craft production. That is lying on page number 10. You have to keep your book with you so that you can get the concept easily, understand the concept easily. Sometimes screen is not visible, so you have to keep book with you. हाँ जी बेटे, here I am going to teach you the craft, how the thing they are producing. That was very interesting process, complicated also. If you locate at Chahandjaro on map 1, south to the Mahendjaro, that is in Pakistan, a small site, small settlement. This is a tiny settlement. Tiny means small settlement. Chahandjaro is a small settlement of Harappan civilization, or you can say Indus Valley civilization lying to the south of Mahendjaro in Pakistan. Now it is in Pakistan. It is less than 7 hectares as compared to Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is a big one settlement and Chahanjaro is small one settlement. Keep in mind. Mohenjo-daro's size is 125 hectares, almost exclusively devoted to the craft production. Mean Chahanjaro settlement was famous for craft production. Various kinds of crafts were produced here, including bead making, like shell cutting, metal working, seal making, and weight making. Weight making means नाप तोल के जो बट्टे हैं वो. All these goods were produced in Chahandjar. No doubt it was small in size, but it was very famous for craft production. Almost all type of crafts were produced here, done here. The variety of material used to make beads is remarkable. One more uh, feature of this site or settlement is that there is a variety of material that is available to make beads. It was very amazing. Bead making industry was very amazing and flourished here. So हाँ जी बेटे. And the variety of materials used to make beads is remarkable. Stones like carnals. Carnals is the name of a stone that is beautiful, red in color, jasper. that is blue in color. It is these are the stones which are used to make beads, crystal, quartz, and sagittite. Sagittite again, it is a soapstone. It's like a powder. Metals, metals. Which one metals? Like a copper, bronze, gold, and shell, faience, and terracotta or burnt clay. This is the material which is used to make beads or to produce the craft goods. Some beads were made of two or more stones. Means by mixing two or more stones, beads are produced. Means some stones were produced by mixing two or more stones, cemented together. Some of stone with gold caps. Means some stones are having gold caps. The shapes were numerous, and the shapes of these beads are different. Like beads are in disc shape, some are in cylindrical shape, some are in spherical shape, some are in a barrel shape, segmented. Means they have different shapes. Some were decorated by incising or painting. Incising means, it's a key word, it means mark or decorate with cut or cuts. किसी चीज को मार्क करना या डेकोरेट करना, उसके ऊपर कट बना के, एक कट या ज्यादा कट्स बनाकर. And sometimes painting is done for decoration purpose, and some had design etched into them. Etched mean again term बुनया होया. कई ऐसे बीड्स हैं जिनके अंदर डिजाइन बुना होता था. I think this is clear. Again, I'm going to show you the things which are used to produce these crafts, like a figure 1.13. We are seeing 1.13. This is a tool which I think which is used by them to produce the goods, and these are the beads which are produced in a Harappan civilization. A very amazing industry that time, flourish industry. मीन इतने चमकदम, इतने सुंदर बने हुए हैं कि आज के बीड्स जो बीड मेकिंग इंडस्ट्री अगर उसके साथ कंपेयर करें, then we will give a preference to that one which was flourished in Harappan civilization, mean before 4500 years ago. Excellent, very wonderful industry, beads industry that was flourished in Chahanjar. Goods were produced here, and no doubt it was a tinny or a small settlement. Goods were produced here, then they were transferred to another sites for use. Thank you.